Love.
They love their dog.
Love.
They love their dog.
Study.
She studies English every night.
Study.
She studies English every night.
Sleep.
He sleeps at 9 p.m.
Sleep.
He sleeps at 9 p.m.
Watch.
I watch TV with my family.
Watch.
I watch TV with my family.
Talk.
We talk on the phone.
Talk.
We talk on the phone.
Help.
She helps her mother in the kitchen.
Help.
She helps her mother in the kitchen.
Buy.
I buy a new book.
Buy.
I buy a new book.
Call.
He calls his friend every day.
Call.
He calls his friend every day.
Close.
She closes the door quietly.
Close.
She closes the door quietly.
Bring.
I bring my lunch to school.
Bring.
I bring my lunch to school.
Give.
He gives me a gift.
Give.
He gives me a gift.
I am waving.
I am waving.
I am waving.
I am waving.
I am pointing.
I am pointing.
I am pointing.
I am pointing.
I am clapping.
I am clapping.
I am clapping.
I am clapping.
I am winking.
I am winking.
I am winking.
I am winking.
We are holding hands.
We are holding hands.
We are holding hands.
We are holding hands.
I am squeezing.
I am squeezing.
I am squeezing.
I am squeezing.
I am pinching.
I am pinching.
I am pinching.
I am pinching.
I am shaking my head.
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 I am rubbing.
I am rubbing.
I am rubbing.
I am rubbing.
I am snapping.
I am snapping.
I am snapping.
I am snapping.